Hi everyone, I made this wreath not so long ago and I've just decided that it needed something else, and as chance would have it, one of my neighbours came across and she has asked if I could make her one of these, but she wanted to have not just the leaves and the lovely little wildflower, or as we call it here, Manuka or Kanuka. Could I put some roses and some something else with it so that it was just a little bit fuller? Personally, I like it as it is, but for those of you who may be looking at what you could do for a door wreath this year, just pretty plain, not too much involved. Let me show you how to take it from here by adding a few more forms. So I've got four roses here. I've got, I don't know what that is. Maybe that's supposed to be a little daisy, but it's quite a nice little form to be using. I've got a few little bits of green. So let me just show you how easy it is. I have designed this so that there was more here than up the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill that bit down there in the base a little bit more. So I'm just going to use my glue gun here and just applying a little bit of glue to there, and I'm just going to push that down and into there like so. And I've got four, so I'm just going to place those randomly, or not really randomly, with equal distance along the base here. And my glue gun, I must apologise for this, but it's just about ready to die. But in saying that, I have had that glue gun for quite some time. Just putting another one, oops, that's not pushed down. A little bit of that in there. So one there, and then I'll just bring that into there like so. And that can just fall whichever way it wants to. And then with the green, I just felt like it needed, so from there, I'll just bring a little bit of green up into there, and just quietly and just gently, I just put the glue on, and then when I let it drop, push it down and into there. There's enough glue on that to hold it. Now I've got another bit. I hope my friend likes this because it's just getting to be a bit late now, isn't it? Because I've glued them. Usually I just like to tie everything in so that if I do change my mind, I can just, or I want to reuse it, I can. So that there, so see how it's sort of like just built it up a little bit more, and it's made it just a little bit more solid with the green into there. And then with these little things that look like daisies, I'm just going to just push those down and into there. And I think she might be right now that I look at it, that it did need. Now those little bits of glue that you might be able to see those, but those little long spidery webs, that is just an indication that the glue isn't quite hot enough. So that's okay. And then I've got one more bit, which I'll just put into there. And then because I've got those scattered through there, I just feel that it might just need just a little bit down into there. So there we have the wreath that has a little bit more on it, and I think that she might be right, and I do like it a little bit fuller. So that's another way that you can just enhance and take your wreath from something simple to something just a little bit more and a little bit fuller. I hope you enjoyed this. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas from me.